like I do. You know it's all because of you. I've been making history like I do. You know it's all because of you.
On the beat.
What you do to me? What you do to me? What you do to me? What you do to me?
Funko Bros! What it do, broski? Just unboxed the vaulted vinyl display vault air. Brand new vaulted vinyl display vault air. Bro, I'm gonna have the description. I'm gonna have the link in the description box, coupon code, all that good stuff. But for now, man, let's just check it out. This is super cool, bro. All my Funko collectors, you gotta have one of these, bro. At least one. This is the dopest display, dopest floating display, dopest air display out right now. Coming from the good people, Vaulted Vinyl, my trusted people over there at Vaulted Vinyl. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I want to say thank you so much to Vaulted Vinyl for sponsoring this video. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all how to install it, how to get it up on your wall. All that good stuff is fairly easy, super lightweight, but super sturdy too, man. Very, very cool. Display your passion, like the box says on the inside, bro. So let's go ahead and slap this joke up on the wall, man. But before we do, whoa, let me pump my brakes, man. Get too fast, man. I want to figure out what pops I want to put in here, and you know it's only right to go MJ with it, bro. It's only right to go with the MJ pops. So I grabbed a handful. It's definitely been more than 9 MJ Funko Pops released, so I'm just grab a couple of my favorite ones, throw them up in there, get an idea how it's gonna look, how they're gonna look sitting in there, and it looks so cool already, bro. So you can pretty much imagine how it's gonna look on the wall, man. Probably gonna be stunning on the wall, bro. But yeah, I was trying to find me like a little method or system to make it make sense, but I couldn't. I really couldn't. Just start dropping them in there any kind of way, broski. And that's when I realized, I was like, hold up, I still got 3 UNC Jordan Funko Pops and 2 spaces left, bruh. I got puzzled. I was tricked. I was confused, man. Sadly confused, man. I didn't know what to do. So I just grabbed 2 of them and threw them down in there. But when I get it up on the wall, I'm gonna make it make sense. I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give them a whole new flavor when I get them up on the wall. So as for now, I just wanted to see what the Funko Pops would look like inside of the display before I get it on the wall. And it looks so fire already, in my opinion, bro. But yeah, okay, how to get it up on the wall. I finna say, how did they get it up? Remix. How about they get how to get it up on the wall, bro? Man, I'm gonna leave all that in this video. Why not, man? Nobody's perfect. I'm definitely not. But this display is, you know what I'm saying, vaulted vinyl Funko Pop protectors are. So that's a win. But yeah, let's get the joint up on the wall, bro. It got holes in the back, right? 4 holes in the top corner rectangles. And all you do, take a screw, put it through. You see, I got me a power drill, bro. I wasn't gonna play with it. You know what I'm saying? Excuse my hair tie. My little hair wrap thing. Don't even pay that no attention. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to keep the lint and dust out my hair. All that out the way, you get you a power drill, bro. It come with 4 screws. You take that power drill and you make sure it's spinning the right way, and you get it level, bro. You slap that junk up on the wall and you get them screws and you hit it with a power drill. It's gonna sound something like that, you know what I mean? And as soon as, you know what I mean, it's secured to the wall, you're done. Done data. It come with 4 I didn't even put the bottom screws in because I didn't want to put extra holes in the wires. Like, all you need is the top ones for real, and you will be good to go. You know what I'm saying? It still be fit, snug, secured, and with only the top 2 screws, it will hold the weight of all your Funkos. You ain't gotta worry about them falling. You know what I'm saying? Trust me on that one. I'm sitting there looking at them at the wall right now, fully loaded, and I even got a Funko Pop on top of it, and it's not budging. It's good to go, bro. You know what I mean? So I advise just use the top screws, but you can do all 4 if you want. Next, the fun part, bro. Grab you a handful of Funko Pops, 9 of them, or matter of fact, you can do 12, but put 3 on top of it, or put you some out of the box pops on top of it. That'll be cool too. But yeah, man, get you 9 pops, fill up them spaces, boy. You see me already playing tic-tac-toe with myself. Like, I don't know why I was trying to find some kind of rhyme or reason, or why I was attacking it how I was, but yeah, we figured something out. Put the All-Star Game joints across the middle. You know what I'm saying? Put the college boys at the top, and we put some of the sticker joints on the bottom. That made sense to me. That worked. You know what I'm saying? That worked. Pretty dope. I just want to give a major shout out and salute the Vaulted Vinyl for sending this thing over, bro. So now, you know what I mean? I can have my Jordans standing out and looking real cool. How they supposed to be? You know what I mean? You gotta treat these MJ Funko Pops special. And I'm gonna show y'all why I treat my Michael Jordan Funko Pops special towards the end of the video. Cause, bruh, I love my J's, man. I love my J's. I had to go find that last UNC Funko Pop to put at the top. And BAM! We in there, bro. Now I'm gonna show you what it look like when you walk inside my office now. So cool, bro. I love it. So, bang! Let's take a quick tour. You know what I'm saying? When you look to the right, when you walking upstairs, walking inside the office, you see the great wall of pops. Whole bunch of 4 and 10 inches stacked to the ceiling, damn near. Then you make it to the top of the steps and BAM! Right there in your face. Vaulted vinyl, air vault. Super cool, bro. The display air vault is fire. It look like it got a carbon fiber finish to it. See all my MJs in there. You know what I'm saying? All the cool ones in there. Where every MJ is cool. But yeah, then you see Goku. And then we get into the office. And behind me, as y'all always see when I'm sitting down, all these sneakers, well, all of my sneakers. I keep saying all of these sneakers like I'm not attached to them and not like I don't love them, but you see my J collect, boy, I got a whole bunch of Jordans, Nikes, Yeezys, Allen Iverson questions. I love my questions. Got some answers too. Man, I got a whole bunch of sneakers in here. And you see the great wall of pops again. All my Pokemon pops are 4 inches, but yeah, more sneakers on top of sneakers with Funko Pops on top of the sneakers. That's what it looked like in my office, bro. You know what I mean? See Goku, Hype Beast Goku. Yes, sir. Can't beat Hype Beast Goku. That's so cool. But peace, y'all. Quick little look in the office. I want to give y'all a full tour. That's just the surrounding edges of the office. I need to drop an office tour. You know what I'm saying? Show what I got going on in here. But yeah, man. Peace out, everybody. Salute the Vaulted Vinyl, man. Use that code. It'll be in the description. Funko Bros. Gonna get you one. Peace.